In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a paragraph field in Formidable Forms in WordPress. First, you need to install and activate Formidable Forms plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure the plugin, hover onto Formidable and click on the Forms. This is the Formidable Form dashboard here. You can see I have some existing forms here. You can either create a new form or edit the existing form and add paragraph text fields on it. In my case, I'm going to edit the existing one by clicking the respective edit button. As you can see, Form Builder area, and here you can customize the form as per your requirements. To add a paragraph field, simply click on it, and you can see the field has been added. Let's configure field settings by clicking on it. Here you can edit the field label, make this field required, and it's really all up to you. Under the advanced settings, you can add default values and placeholder texts like this. Once everything is in place, let's update the form. It's now time to preview the form. You can see the paragraph field has been added here. So, this is how you can add paragraph fields in Formidable Forms in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.